आगे के दांतों को टच करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं थी। They were self-sustainable. But after 5-6 years, the scenario has completely been changed. One family has been visiting me for years. So first I treated the husband, then the wife, then the young children. One day during the COVID times, he came with his father. He was in terrible pain, and I just do the emergency treatment in the form of root canal, and the root canal was done and the pain was gone. At the same time, I noticed something. He did not have any posterior teeth. उनके पास पीछे के कोई भी मोलर्स नहीं थे. All chewing was just articulated with the help of upper teeth, lower teeth in the front region only. After the assessment, I explained the family along with the father because he does not have any teeth in the back region. So अभी सिर्फ सिंपल ट्रीटमेंट है. कुछ ब्रिजेस करने होंगे या कुछ इम्प्लांट करने होंगे या बहुत ही इकोनॉमिक करना है तो सिंपल रिमूवेबल डेंचर से भी बाइट को स्टेबल किया जा सकता है. बेनिफिट लॉन्ग टर्म में आगे के दांतों के ट्रीटमेंट नहीं करना होंगे. आफ्टर एवरी 6 मंथ फॉलोअप दे हैव बीन आस्क्ड फॉर द सेम बट एवरी टाइम आंसर वाज सेम. नेक्स्ट टाइम करते हैं, अगली बार देखेंगे, अभी तो पेन है नहीं. एंड ईयर्स पास. नाउ इन द ईयर 2026, after 5 years, again that family along with the same father came to an OPD. Then I came to know that most of the anterior teeth were gone. So then I just pull out the charting and showed all the photos what I have taken 5 years ago. 5 years ago, all the teeth in the front region, if not very much healthy, but yes, they were sustainable. Now after 5 years, most of the teeth were gone. The treatment, which was very simple in the form of few implants and bridges, now it is for a full mouth rehab in the form of implants. Few years ago, it was just a simple treatment. Just कुछ implants करने थे. Upper, lower and treatment is done. आगे के दांतों को टच करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं थी. They were self-sustainable. But after 5-6 years, the scenario has completely been changed. He does not have any teeth in the front as well. Now, ऊपर नीचे सब जगह implant followed by full mouth rehabilitation. This time we have to go for a CBCT blood investigation and complete body checkup and medical clearance as well. 5 सालों में क्या खोया? According to the family, weight has no cost. But yes, it costed a lot from few treatment to the whole treatment in the span of just 5 years. And this is exactly why, before choosing the treatment for parents, don't just ask, can we wait a little longer? Also ask, what options might disappear if we wait?